Hi there, my name is Sakshi, a content manager of NSDM India. Today's video is about what does a data scientist do in a day, and we are helping you with a free course of fundamentals of data science with Python. I'm putting up the link in the description section below. Do check it out right away as it's only valid for the limited period of time. There are different roles and responsibilities carried out by a data scientist, which are to analyze and interpret complex digital data, to extract meaning from the interpreted data, which requires both tools and methods from statistics, AI, and machine learning to assist a business in its decision-making processes. So let's understand work of a data scientist step by step. Recognizing the business problems and difficulties. Any planning to scrub data cannot be started without understanding the difficulties and complications faced by the business. To know what's the exact problem, relevant probing is to be done from the clients. Data acquisition. It is essential to find the accurate data to export time and effort, and for doing so, a data scientist gathers data from different sources like web servers, logs, databases, APIs, and online repository. Data preparations. After the data is being acquired, then the data needs to be prepared, and the data preparation consists of two steps. One is data cleaning and the other one is data transformation. The data cleaning process is time consuming as the data is in inconsistent data types, has misspelled attributes, few missing values and few duplicate values. And on the other hand, data transformation is comparatively less time consuming and it does the work of modifying the data. Exploratory data analysis. This process understands what and how things are required to be done through the data. This process can be called as the most important step as it verifies which variables need to be there in the model development. Visualization and communication. The work done with the findings and analysis gets prepared by Tableau, Power BI and Click to be presented in front of the clients in a simple format. Deploys and maintains. In this step, testing of the selected model is done in the pre-production environment before deploying it in the production one. The usage of dashboards, reports are done for getting the real-time analysis, and the maintenance of the project performance is also done. This was all about what does a data scientist do in a day, and I hope you found this video really helpful. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel of NSDM, and we are helping you with a free course of fundamentals of data science with Python. I'm putting up the link in the description section below. Do check it out right away as it's only valid for the limited period of time. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.